Welcome, health seekers. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of seeds and their supercharged benefits for a vibrant, healthy body. These tiny treasures are more than just crunchy toppings, they're nutritional superheroes. From heart health to glowing skin, seeds have got you covered. Get ready to discover how these little powerhouses can transform your well-being. Let's dive into the goodness together. It's time to seed the change for a healthier you. Acai berry seeds. Acai berry seeds are found within the vibrant purple berries of the acai palm tree, renowned for their antioxidant-rich properties. These seeds, although typically discarded, contain essential nutrients. Acai berries are high in anthocyanins and plant compounds that may support heart health, boost immune function, and potentially contribute to disease prevention. While specific dosages of acai berry seeds are not established, incorporating acai berries into a balanced diet, either fresh or as a supplement, offers a flavorful and nutritious addition to overall well-being. Almond seeds, the edible seeds of the Prunus dulcis tree, are nutritional powerhouses offering numerous health benefits. Rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, almonds support cardiovascular well-being. Their high fiber content aids digestion and weight management. Almonds are also a source of vitamin E, antioxidants, and essential minerals like magnesium and calcium. Regular consumption may contribute to disease prevention by reducing inflammation. A recommended daily dose of about 1 ounce, 23 almonds, provides a convenient and delicious way to incorporate these nutrients into a balanced diet for overall health. Amaranth seeds, derived from the amaranthus plant, are nutritional powerhouses with diverse health benefits. Rich in protein, fiber, and essential amino acids, amaranth seeds promote muscle repair, aid digestion, and support overall well-being. Their high mineral content, including calcium, iron, and magnesium, contributes to bone health and energy production. While not a direct disease preventer, amaranth's antioxidants may offer protection. A daily dose of 1/2 to 1 cup, when incorporated into meals or snacks, provides a convenient and nutritious boost for a healthy body. Anise seeds come from the Pimpinella anisum plant and are known for their distinctive licorice-like flavor. Beyond their culinary use, anise seeds have potential health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, they may aid digestion, alleviate bloating, and have antimicrobial properties. Anise seeds contain essential vitamins like vitamin C, while minerals include iron, calcium, and magnesium. While not a direct preventer of diseases, incorporating anise seeds into daily meals, such as in teas or spice blends, provides a flavorful and potentially healthful addition to a balanced diet. Apricot seeds, found within the pits of apricots, contain nutrients that may offer certain health benefits. Known for their amygdalin content, which converts to cyanide in the body, apricot seeds are controversial due to safety concerns. In small quantities, proponents claim they may have anti-cancer properties, but this is not scientifically proven, and consuming them in large amounts can be toxic. It is crucial to exercise caution, and it is not recommended to establish a daily dose without consulting with healthcare professionals due to potential risks. Avocado seeds, often discarded, possess potential health benefits. While not as commonly consumed as the fruit itself, avocado seeds are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats. Some studies suggest they may contribute to heart health, reduce inflammation, and support weight management. Although more research is needed, the seed's nutrient profile implies potential disease prevention benefits. Incorporating a small portion of ground avocado seeds into smoothies or meals can be a flavorful and nutritious addition to promote a healthy body as part of a balanced diet. Blackberry seeds, often overlooked, contain valuable nutrients that contribute to overall health. Rich in dietary fiber, vitamins C and K, and antioxidants, blackberry seeds support digestive health and immune function, and may aid in disease prevention. The seeds are a good source of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, promoting heart health. While specific dosages are not established, incorporating blackberries into a balanced diet, whether fresh or in various dishes, provides a tasty and nutritious way to benefit from the seed's nutritional content for a healthy body. Blackcurrant seeds, often overlooked, are packed with nutrients that contribute to a healthy body. Rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids, these seeds support immune function and may have anti-inflammatory properties. While not extensively studied for disease prevention, their nutritional content suggests potential benefits. Incorporating blackcurrants into a balanced diet, whether fresh or in various dishes, provides a flavorful and nutritious way to reap the advantages of blackcurrant seeds for overall well-being. Specific dosages are not established, but moderation is recommended. Blueberry seeds, often overlooked, contribute to a healthy body with their nutrient-packed profile. Bursting with antioxidants, vitamins C and K, and dietary fiber, blueberry seeds support immune function and digestive health. While not extensively studied for disease prevention, their nutritional content suggests potential benefits. Incorporating blueberries into a balanced diet, whether fresh or in various dishes, provides a delicious and nutritious way to harness the advantages of blueberry seeds for overall well-being. Specific dosages are not established, but moderation is recommended as part of a healthy diet. Broccoli seeds, tiny and often overlooked, pack a nutritional punch for a healthy body. Rich in vitamins C and K, fiber, and antioxidants, they support immune function and contribute to heart health. The compounds in broccoli seeds have shown potential in disease prevention, particularly in combating inflammation. While specific dosages aren't established, incorporating broccoli and its seeds into a balanced diet provides a nutrient-dense addition for overall well-being. Enjoying broccoli seeds as part of your meals can be a tasty and nutritious way to reap their benefits. Carrot seeds, often overlooked, hold health benefits for the body. Rich in vitamins A and C, as well as antioxidants, they contribute to immune support and skin health. While not extensively studied for disease prevention, their nutritional content suggests potential benefits. Incorporating carrot seeds into a balanced diet, whether in culinary uses or as a supplement, may offer a nutrient boost. While specific dosages aren't firmly established, moderation is recommended as part of a diverse and healthy eating plan. Enjoying carrot seeds can be a flavorful and nutritious addition to overall well-being. Cashew seeds, derived from the Anacardium occidental tree, are not only delicious but also offer various health benefits. Rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, cashews support cardiovascular well-being. They contain essential minerals like copper and magnesium, contributing to bone health and overall well-being. Cashews may aid in disease prevention through their antioxidant properties. A recommended daily dose of about 1 ounce, 18 cashews, provides a convenient and tasty way to incorporate these nutrients into a balanced diet, promoting a healthy body and supporting various bodily functions. Celery seeds, derived from the celery plant, offer health benefits and are valued for their unique flavor. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, celery seeds may contribute to a healthy body by supporting heart health and potentially reducing inflammation. While not extensively studied for disease prevention, their nutritional profile suggests potential advantages. Incorporating celery seeds into culinary dishes or using them as a spice can provide a burst of flavor along with potential health benefits. Specific dosages aren't well defined, but moderate use can enhance both taste and well-being. Chia seeds, derived from the Salvia hispanica plant, are nutritional gems renowned for their health benefits. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, they promote heart health, aid digestion, and contribute to overall well-being. Their antioxidant-rich composition helps prevent diseases by neutralizing free radicals. Chia seeds contain essential minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, along with vitamins A and B complex. A recommended daily dose of around 1 to 2 tablespoons, when added to meals or beverages, provides a convenient and nutritious boost to support a healthy body. Cocoa seeds, the primary ingredient in chocolate, harbor health benefits when consumed in moderation. Rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, cocoa seeds may contribute to heart health, improve mood, and potentially offer some disease prevention properties. These seeds contain minerals such as magnesium and iron. While enjoying cocoa products can be a delightful treat, it's crucial to consider the added sugars and fats in chocolate. Moderation is key to reaping the benefits without excessive calorie intake. Incorporating dark chocolate with higher cocoa content can be a healthier choice for overall well-being. Coriander seeds, derived from the Coriandrum sativum plant, are not only culinary delights but also possess health-promoting qualities. Rich in antioxidants, coriander seeds may aid in disease prevention by combating oxidative stress. They contain vitamins A and K, supporting vision and bone health. Coriander seeds are known for their anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits, contributing to overall well-being. Incorporating a daily dose of 1 to 2 teaspoons, whether in cooking or as a herbal infusion, provides a flavorful and nutritious boost for a healthy body. Cranberry seeds are the small, edible seeds found within the vibrant red berries of the cranberry plant. While not commonly consumed in large amounts, they contain nutritional benefits. Cranberry seeds are a good source of dietary fiber, vitamins C and K, and antioxidants. While not specifically studied for disease prevention, their antioxidant content may contribute to overall well-being. Consuming cranberries, whether as whole berries or in juice form, offers a convenient and tasty way to integrate their nutritional benefits into a balanced diet for a healthy body. Cucumber seeds, often overlooked, are the small, edible seeds found within the cucumber fruit. While their nutritional content is not as well studied as other seeds, they offer a source of dietary fiber, supporting digestive health. Cucumber seeds contain vitamins like vitamin K and minerals like magnesium, contributing to bone health and overall well-being. While there is no specific daily dosage, incorporating cucumber seeds into your diet by using them in salads or smoothies can add a nutritional boost to support a healthy body. Dill seeds are small, oval-shaped seeds derived from the dill plant, known for its feathery leaves and aromatic properties. These seeds contain essential oils, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin C and manganese. While not extensively studied, dill seeds are believed to have digestive benefits, aiding in digestion and reducing bloating. Incorporating them into your diet, such as in pickles, soups, or spice blends, may contribute to overall well-being. There isn't a specific daily dosage, but moderation in culinary use can add flavor and potential health benefits to your meals. Dragon fruit seeds are small, black specks embedded in the vibrant, dragon-like flesh of the dragon fruit. Rich in polyunsaturated fats, they offer a mild crunch and are a good source of dietary fiber. While not extensively researched, dragon fruit seeds may contribute to digestive health due to their fiber content. Additionally, they contain beneficial vitamins and minerals such as vitamin E and iron. Although there isn't a specific recommended daily dose, incorporating dragon fruit seeds into your diet as part of the fruit can add nutritional variety and potential health benefits. Elderberry seeds are found within the small, dark berries of the elderberry plant. These seeds are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which contribute to their potential health benefits. Elderberry seeds are believed to support immune function and may aid in preventing colds and flu. They also contain vitamins A and C, along with minerals like potassium and iron. While there isn't a specified daily dosage for elderberry seeds, incorporating them into your diet through supplements or elderberry-based products may contribute to overall well-being. Consultation with a healthcare professional is advisable for personalized recommendations. Fennel seeds, derived from the aromatic fennel plant, are known for their culinary and medicinal uses. These seeds are beneficial for digestion, as they contain compounds that may alleviate bloating and indigestion. Additionally, fennel seeds are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals such as vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. Their antioxidant properties may contribute to overall health. While there isn't a specific daily dose, incorporating fennel seeds into your diet, either through cooking or herbal teas, can support digestive wellness. Individual tolerance may vary, and consulting with a healthcare professional is recommended. Fenugreek seeds, derived from the Trigonella phenugrecum plant, boast a myriad of health benefits. Known for their rich fiber content, fenugreek seeds aid digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, and promote weight management. Their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may contribute to disease prevention. Fenugreek seeds are a source of vitamins A, B, and C, as well as minerals like iron and potassium. A recommended daily dose of 1 to 2 teaspoons, when added to meals or infused in tea, offers a convenient and flavorful way to harness their health advantages for overall well-being. Flax seeds, derived from the flax plant, Linum usitatissimum, are nutritional powerhouses with numerous health benefits. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, flax seeds promote heart health, aid digestion, and may help prevent certain diseases. They contain essential minerals like manganese, magnesium, and phosphorus, along with vitamins B1 and B6. A daily dose of 1 to 2 tablespoons, when added to smoothies or sprinkled on meals, provides a convenient and effective way to incorporate these nutrients, supporting overall well-being and disease prevention. Grapefruit seeds, derived from the Citrus paradisii fruit, offer potential health benefits. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants, such as vitamin C and bioflavonoids, they can contribute to a healthy body by supporting the immune system and promoting overall well-being. Some studies suggest that grapefruit seeds may have antimicrobial properties, aiding in disease prevention. While there isn't a standard daily dosage, incorporating grapefruit seeds into your diet or using supplements as directed may offer a natural boost to your health. It's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Guava seeds are the small, edible seeds found within the tropical fruit, known for their nutritional value. Rich in dietary fiber, vitamins A and C, and essential minerals like potassium, guava seeds support digestive health, immune function, and overall well-being. While not extensively studied for disease prevention, their antioxidant properties may offer additional health benefits. Consuming guava seeds as part of the whole fruit, with a recommended daily intake of 1 guava, provides a delicious and nutritious way to enhance a healthy body and balanced diet. Hazelnut seeds, the edible seeds of the Corylus avellana tree, are nutritional powerhouses with diverse health benefits. Rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, hazelnuts support cardiovascular well-being. They contain essential minerals like manganese and copper, contributing to bone health and overall well-being. Hazelnuts' high antioxidant content may aid in disease prevention. A recommended daily dose of about 1 ounce, 20 hazelnuts, provides a convenient and flavorful way to incorporate these nutrients into a balanced diet, promoting a healthy body and supporting various bodily functions. Kiwi fruit seeds, often overlooked, offer health benefits that complement the fruit's delicious flesh. Packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, and omega-3 fatty acids, kiwi fruit seeds contribute to heart health and may aid in reducing inflammation. These seeds are a good source of dietary fiber, promoting digestive well-being. While there isn't a specific daily dosage for kiwi fruit seeds, incorporating them into your diet, perhaps by blending them into smoothies, adds a nutrient boost, supporting overall health and wellness. In a nutshell, seeds are like tiny superheroes for our health. They pack a punch with essential nutrients, boosting our well-being in a big way. Whether you sprinkle them on salads or blend them into smoothies, these little wonders deserve a spot in your daily diet. So, if you enjoyed learning about the goodness of seeds, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your pals, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful info. Let's stay seed happy and thrive together.